Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome back to the analysis of the euro currency. Let's continue to discuss situation on the daily time frame. Well, from the previous trading session, it's not much to comment here since we have discussed any moments that now is going on the daily time frame in our weekly research. So we have a couple of patterns here. Recall this triangle pattern that we have discussed a couple of weeks ago, and market still stands inside of it. That is potentially bullish pattern and stands in agreement with our expectation from the weekly time frame, since on the weekly time frame we suggest some continuation to the upside by this pattern A, B, for instance C, D. This is compound ABCD pattern to the upside on the weekly time frame, and in most cases the triangles become the continuation patterns. Well, at the same time, in the short-term perspective, we have such wedge pattern inside of the triangle, and market still stands inside of it. On Friday and on yesterday's video research, I have said that this is some kind of the riddle, since market shows as bullish signs of potential continuation to the upside as bearish ones, because this is potentially bearish pattern, but how market behaves inside of this wedge, it's not very bearish, since it has come above the confluence resistance that was here on the daily time frame. Market now stands above the weekly pivot point, so some bullish signs are present in current price action. That's why it will be safer if we will just wait the breakout of this pattern, and we'll see the direction of the further move to the upside. On the daily time frame, we see that significant area of resistance stands right here, is 132.97 area, very close to the weekly pivot resistance one. It's 133.08. That is very close, significant area of resistance. Also, we can't exclude the potential continuation of that ABCD pattern, since it hasn't been eliminated totally, because market by this price action has reached here 618 extension of that leg, ABCD pattern now turns to the retracement. Well, at least theoretically, there exists the possibility of continuation to the upside. If this wedge will be broken to the downside and market will show some thrusting move to the downside, then we can't exclude this move. But currently it's very difficult to predict and to say that this will definitely be in this way. Well, that's why it's better to wait some clarification from the market, some signs, hints on the potential development. Well, on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? That is the bearish wedge pattern. That is the levels that we have discussed yesterday. Trend holds bearish, but that's very anemic situation on the MACD indicator, because market choose direction fast, because it just ping pong inside of this wedge pattern. Okay, so that is first level that we said that's possibly to watch for is the potential support. So that has happened, market has reached it, now pulled to the upside. Well, next significant and major hour level is right here, is 4-hour confluence support 131.65, and very close to that stands weekly pivot support 1, it's 131.42. so that's a very significant area of support. Well, and if market will break this wedge, we should keep an eye on this level. If you remember, we have said in our weekly research that if market will break it to the downside, then probably it will show another leg to the downside, probably even to the 129 area. But currently, it's a bit early to talk about this. Now we have to watch for a situation inside of the wedge. For that purpose, we might use the hourly chart that we have discussed the previous trading session. I like to apply harmonic swings on the market and watch for them, because if market will break the harmony, it could be the first and early sign of the potential direction of the market move. So you can see that move to the upside was very harmonic. That line's the cloned one, so they have the same slope as the same distance, the same length. I just clone them and drag and drop on the swings to the upside. You can see that now market has hit significant area of resistance. That is classical area of resistance. That was resistance. Market broken it, support, broken again. So that is significant level. That is also the neckline of the double top pattern that was previously formed on the market. Now market is struggling with it. So following by this harmony, market should reach area around 133.22. If you remember, that is precisely an area of weekly pivot resistance 1 and 618 resistance on the daily time frame. That level. Okay. And after that retracement should start. So in the nearest hours we have to keep a close eye on the market price action at this level. If this harmony will break and market couldn't proceed move to the upside and turn to the downside, this could be the early sign of the breakout of this wedge to the downside and turning to the downside inside of this greater triangle pattern. Based on this triangle pattern, that is also already fifth way inside of the triangle, and based on the classical approach to the price action inside of triangles, the breakout should happen right at the fifth way of the triangle. Usually should be break to the upside. So if market will fail there and will show some thrusting move to the downside, this could be just quite another turn. So that's why the monitoring of the price action right around this level of resistance is quite significant and important. That is our task for the current trading session, because to make any decisions about trading currently it's a bit unsafe due to this contradictive signs on the market and it's a bit sloppy and choppy price action inside of the wedge pattern. So for safer possibility to enter, it's better to wait some more clear signs from the market.